Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, the word landscape. How do we say landscape in Hebrew? You can see that landscape is made out of two words, land and scape, and plural landscapes. But in Hebrew, like a short word, nof, nof, nof. Nof. Nof appears in the Bible one time. Like one time in the Bible, so it is quite ancient, in Psalm 48. And in plural, landscapes is nofim, nofim, nofim. Nof, nofim. What a beautiful word. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below, Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, pronouns, derived stems, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.